Hi, you're back with Debt2Millionaire Daily. I'm John, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why I decided to go into business for myself rather than work as an employee for someone else. I mentioned in a previous blog that I have a bachelor's degree as a computer scientist / software developer, basically. In one of my years at university in the summer, there was a 3-month gap where I had an internship at a software company in England. It's the nicest kind of working environment that you could have as a software developer. Could work relatively flexible hours. The team was nice. Kitchen with snacks and such, beer on a Friday, casual dress code, all that sort of stuff. But after even just a few weeks in, it just cemented the fact that I did not want to get a normal job. Now, I've always said since I was a kid that I want to be in business for myself, and that I don't want to get a normal job. But I never really had that confirmed until I did that internship. So every single day I went in. At the start, it was a bit exciting because it's a bit different. Go into work by train, see people at the office, do the programming, go home. But then after a few weeks of that, every single working day, working on the same projects, doing the same thing, seeing the same people, it just got really monotonous, like stuck in a rut that you just can't get out of because you have to go to work. So I was speaking to one of the guys in the office who were all software developers themselves, and some of them had done different startups, not necessarily the ones that they'd started themselves, but they'd got in for an equity share of someone else's work. They all said to me that if I wanted to do anything like that, go into business for myself, that I should do it now and not wait for after a few years of working for an employer, because it just completely sucks the life out of you. And so you get comfortable with the regular paycheck and you'll lose the motivation to try and do anything else. 3 months in, finished the internship, and I was like, no, I'm finishing university, so it's not money down the drain. But then I got my degree, and then I did not look for a job as a software developer. I made plans to go into business for myself. With it being a vlog, I suppose I should tell you what I've been doing today. Today I've been working on some landing pages and an ad campaign to attract people who wanted to sell their houses fast for cash. That's the whole premise of the property acquisition company. We started out just going to viewings like everyone else does, putting offers in on properties for the numbers, the figures that would work for us to make a profit on the deal. But in Manchester, it seems that every single person is paying over the market value for a house at the moment. So everything's going for more than it's worth, basically. So we had to change strategies. So the plan is to do a Google ad campaign, attract the people who are searching to sell their houses fast for cash, people who don't want any kind of risk of it falling through. So normal people, when they buy a house, they the person who's buying it has to arrange financing, like a mortgage, for example, and that'll take a few months, and then sometimes they can be declined further down the line. Then the seller's got to find a new buyer, and it can just be a hassle. So for people who want a guaranteed sale and they want it to happen very quickly, maybe they're getting divorced, or maybe they're leaving the country, or maybe they just don't want to deal with any estate agents. They're the kind of people that would come on our ad campaign, then click through to our landing pages. That's just basically a web page that's specifically designed to get someone to do something, like fill out a form, for example. So we get their contact details in this case to give them a call. But yeah, that's what we've been working on today. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Feel free to check out the blog. Hopefully it has a few more articles on it by now. So that's debt2millionaire.com, and I'm also on social media at Debt2Millionaire. Post from time to time, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.